Well, now whistle blows and the sun comes up. Head to the floor, keep your big mouth shut. Eat your breakfast on the ground. Work like hell till the sun goes down. Every day, shotgun far wild west. For the nights to sit and listen. Midnight train to Memphis. All the redneck, white trash through the town. I could change all that if I had $1 billion. I can pay that money in the room all evil and can't fit a camel to the eye. I'm sure that's proper too, but it still sounds pretty cool. Looking by. Something to see, baby, ain't that America? Home of the free, yeah. 26 packs of China, 99-cent butane light, look stocks in a fifth of Patron. I found that blue cooler, gas had all to do. I can feel good one coming on. Oh, on me while we hover, sing along to redneck mother. In the blues I had before dawn. Sure enough about a cold time, I'm by storm, out of my mind, and I hand up some old my honky tonk special I find. Just show it on its own road, bringing up a mighty girl at home. I'm here to get whispering, hellbound. Move on this road, it's Tennessee whiskey. You're sweet, strawberry wine. You're as warm as a glass of brandy. Honey, I stay stoned on your loving all the time. for rock, San Juan. Started humming this song from 1962. Ain't it funny how the night moves when you just don't seem to have as much to lose? Strange how the night moves with all them closing in. So remember the night moon. Ain't funny how you remember. Funny how you remember. I remember. I remember. Sweet Caroline, the time never seems so good. Gathered in their masses, dressed like witches at black masses. Evil minds that plot destruction, sorcerer of death construction.